when you talk about disposal here, how do you know whether there is gain, gain or loss on disposal? Now, let's remind ourselves. If you want to know whether there is a gain or loss on disposal, what do you compare? Now, if it is a gain, for you to know that there is a gain on disposal, you have to know that we are comparing two things. We are comparing the net book value of that asset vis-a-vis the proceeds on disposal. Now, for you to say that there is a gain, then it means that the proceeds on disposal are greater or is more than the net book value of the asset. I'm using the word the asset, but you know we are talking about PPE. Yeah? The asset there means maybe you can be told about a specific item like building, machinery, motor vehicle, or anything. That's why we are not specifying, we are not saying PPE. Yeah, but of the asset that is given there, because now at this point they will give you the name. If it's a motor vehicle, they will narrow down and tell you they disposed of a motor vehicle or they sold a motor vehicle at this amount. So that's when you talk about the gain. Gain. If the proceeds is what you get when you sell it off. Now, if you get more than the value of your item in your statement of financial position, like in this case, you can see that our PPE in the statement of financial position is how much? Where is it? For example, for the year 2021, the PPE is 45,200. What if you disposed it? This PPE, this is the net book value. What if you disposed it at, for example, 60,000? You realize that now the amount you are realizing or the proceeds you are getting from that sale is more than the net book value. In that case, you say there is a gain on disposal. There is a gain on disposal. But in a case where what you get is less than the value, the net book value of that item, yeah? For example, if it was 45,200, the net book value of the item, but then when you dispose it, what you are getting is 30,000. In this case, what you are getting from the sale is less compared to the value of this item in your books. So you are losing. You are losing. You are selling at a lower value. So in this case, we say there is a loss on disposal. That's how you come up with a loss on disposal. I believe somebody is getting something. So when you talk about loss on disposal, now that means the net book value is higher. Net book value is higher than the proceeds on disposal, like that. So that's when you talk about gain or loss on disposal.